I'm going to break down a couple of trades I've took on my $300 live account, which has allowed me to withdraw over $1,000 worth of profits. As you guys can see, we're on my withdrawal page on my Fusion Markets dashboard. Last week, we withdrew $620. The week before that, we withdrew $464. And the best part about this is I'm giving away all of my trade ideas and my trade signals completely for free for right now in my Discord. You guys just got to join and fucking find some sort of value for it, because eventually there's going to be a pay gateway, but it doesn't matter how much I charge for it per month, because obviously you guys can see that my trades are actually making money on a live account. So let's jump into the breakdown of the trade so far. So this was a trade right here. A previous signal that I sent out to the Discord for free was all of these trades, but specifically this one where we were bouncing around this key consolidation zone for some time on Euro USD, and we finally broke out of it. And if you guys don't know anything about my entry model, you guys should probably watch my video about it, but pretty much I say that after price breaks out of a key consolidation zone, like what this box is, either to the upside or to the downside, price loves to come back and retest either the bottom of it or the top of it before it starts to reject and start to assume the trend that it is going to be doing. So if you break to the bottom, it's going to start a downtrend. If you break to the top, it's going to start an uptrend. So this point, we broke down, we retested, and that usually means that if it starts to show signs of rejections again at this key consolidation zone, then that's a good time to short the market, because it's going to continue on falling and assuming a downtrend. So that's exactly what we did. We broke down all the way down here. We took a couple of these trades on my FTMO challenge too, and I actually was able to pass step 1 and step 2 of the challenge with 2 single trades. And I also took those trades on my live account as well, and then obviously had sent those trades to the Discord. But eventually we came back up and we retested the bottom of this key consolidation zone again. And what do you know? After it showed signs of rejections, it tanked down. I didn't end up entering it until right here, but this is where I entered it. I'm actually still holding this on one of my live accounts. And right now, I'll show you guys. We are currently up $260 on a $300 flip challenge. I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe I'll overlay it. But when we were dropping down to the bottom here, I was up $600 on a $300 account. Now, I send these types of trades all the time to the Discord, and as you guys can see, it pays off if you guys are able to jump in on them with me in time. But yeah, that's pretty much the breakdown of how I made over $1,000 worth of withdrawals from a $300 deposit on a live account. Trading, you can definitely make a living if you know what to do. Like, imagine if you had like an extra, this is like a big ask, but like imagine if you had like an extra like 10K laying around. You could put 10K in a live account and take the same trades I was taking. These were just on a one lot, but with a 10K account, let's say with 500 leverage, you take a 10 lot. These trades would be banking you 10 times whatever I'm making. So like right now, instead of being up $200 on a $300 account, you could be up $2,000. So yeah. So before you guys miss out, before anything, you guys should join my Discord, get access to my free signals for right now until I start charging you guys for it. But I don't know when that's going to be. Could be a month from now, could be a long time from now, because I'm not reliant on my audience. I don't even have that big of an audience. I own 5 prop firms, and I'm also on the back end operations for some brokerages as well. So like, I don't need to rely on YouTube money or subscriptions or course. I don't even sell a course. So yeah, right now everything's for free. But eventually, if I start fucking hammering out these trades and making a lot of people money, I'm obviously going to start charging people for it per month. But for right now, everything for free. And for the time being, it's going to be for free as well. And I'm going to be opening up a public chat so that people can start chatting with other members and sort of create a community and stuff. So yeah, that's the trade that I'm currently in right now. And then this is also the trade that allowed me to withdraw the amount of money that I did. And then we also took a couple more day trades, because this is a swing trade, obviously. But we also rode these waves a couple of times inside. So like we shorted right here, and we also shorted right here. And I called those trades out for day trades within the overall macro trade, which is the swing trade that I'm currently in. So yeah, if you guys want access to all my trade ideas, definitely join my Discord completely for free. Everything's for free. I'm going to be dropping a full course in there that breaks down how to start as a beginner all the way to the point where you can start experimenting and filtering trades for yourself. And then also I'm going to break down my entire trading strategy for you guys as well, completely for free. Everything's for free for right now. So join the Discord and let's fucking run it to the top.